everyone, welcome to Jolly Molly TV. In today's video, we're going to open another gift in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent Box by Missouri Star Quilt Company. This is today's package. It's number 15. Look at this. Number 15. And it feels hard. Feels like a box within the package. So are we ready? Let's just do it. I can't wait any longer. This one might be a little hard for me to save the sticker, but I'm going to try. Yeah, it's not going to happen. Not going to happen. Shoot. Because this is the end of the package here. Darn it. Oh well. I saved most of the other ones. All right. I'm the one that when I open the package, I do it very gently and I don't like rip open the wrapper because I want to save these wrappers. I'm going to try to either re-gift these or try to do something else with them. I've got to figure it out yet, but I want to save this packaging. Okay, we ready? Here's a sneak peek. Sneak peek. All right. Here we go. It's hard box. And it's upside down, and it's in the same print as the wrapping. Okay, there's nothing else in there. All right, we ready? What is this? Oh, it doesn't even say, but I love the box. It's just a pretty box. All right, so let's do this. It's a mystery within a mystery. All right, here we go. Get that out of the way. Okay, we ready? Suspense. Ah! Okay. Keep this away from your animals. Look at that. They're ornaments. I think they're ornaments. Yeah. Let's take one out. Yes, they're ornaments to put on my tree. Look at this. That's cool. It says Missouri Star Quilt Company on the back side. And it has that 3D imprinted quilt block on it. These, I think the porcelain or a ceramic of some type. So I think they are breakable. Yeah. But look at that. And then they have two jingle bells on the very top. Right there. Isn't that pretty? That's going to look very pretty on my tree. Okay, there's one. Put it there for right now. Let's pull this one out. You get two ornaments. Very pretty. This is more of a rusty red color. Again, with that quilt block in the center. Very pretty. All right. I love those. So those will be a nice addition to my tree. There you go. So this is gift number 15. I would say these are about 3 inches, 2.5 to 3 inches in diameter. So they're very nice size in that really cool box. Good job, Missouri Star and Jenny. Thank you so much for this gift. That's great. So I hope you had a lot of fun unboxing today's gift number 15 as I have. I am very happy with all of the gifts so far. Get rid of that. Very, very pleased with what I've received in this box. So yay! So I hope you had as much fun as I did. And I hope you stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV and come back tomorrow for more fun and more unboxing of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent Box. Tomorrow will be present number 16. So until I see you then, take care, have a wonderful day, and happy stitching. Bye-bye.